Here is the reading for July 30th, 2026. The rolling 30-day window holds 735 screen signals. The window added 29 net signals. Material added 6, intelligence added 11, network added 8 and diversity added 4. About 24.5 screen signals a day made this window. The totals are material 139, intelligence for 07, network 95, and diversity 94. The current shape is widening material, widening intelligence, concentrating network, and concentrating diversity. The new pressure point is Encore AI raises $30 million for call-trained agents, but today's pattern is bigger than one company. Material leads with Helios AI racks move into full-scale production. Network leads with Atlassian opens Forge LLMs API to all developers. Read with the intelligent signal, the receipt shows movement across the physical stack, the model layer, and the tools people use. The useful test is whether customers are better served and workers become more capable, or ownership simply becomes more efficient. Conscience is unchanged from the prior edition, with a balanced reading at 44 out of 100. Widening signals lead concentrating ones by 94. A dashboard can count capability, it cannot certify progress. Diversity is concentrating, network is concentrating. Look for the proof that matters, customers genuinely better served, workers with more agency, a real challenge path, and benefit that travels beyond the cap table. Hope begins when capability becomes usable agency. Today's discipline is to connect capability to consequence. Name who is better served, whose work becomes more capable, who can challenge the system, and whether the benefit travels beyond the owners. If the evidence ends at funding or a benchmark, the headline has outrun accountability and its human consequence. For the detailed source-by-source cure evidence, watch today's The Cure Protocol. The link is below this video, where the fresh research, limits, and next targets are laid out in full.